Forget the Hollywood cowboys. Forget the romanticized outlaws you've seen on the big screen. That was the myth. This is the reality. Welcome to Vintage Shots. I'm bringing you the American frontier as it truly was, captured on fragile glass plates by government explorers and soldiers over 150 years ago. These are unseen, authentic records from the National Archives. No filters, no AI, no fake stories. Today, we dive into the brutal, unscripted reality of fighting in the West. If you're tired of AI-generated fiction and want to witness the raw truth of history, subscribe to Vintage Shots and join our journey back in time. An afternoon of croquet. Ladies, gentlemen, and children on the lawn at Fort Bridger, Wyoming Territory, circa 1873. Officers' quarters at left, hospital and men's barracks to the right in background. Brigadier General Frank Whedon, U.S. Army, standing center with white plume and hat, with officers and members of their families, Fort Walla Walla, Washington Territory, 1874. A panoramic view of the camp at Hidden Wood Creek by Illingworth, 1874, during Custer's Black Hills expedition. Our first grizzly, killed by General Custer and Colonel Ludlow, by Illingworth, 1874, during Black Hills expedition. Hunting and camping party of Custer, standing in center, and invited guests. Fort A. Lincoln on the Little Heart River, Dakota Territory, 1875. Valentine T. McGillicuddy, surgeon and topographer on hunger march with General Crook's expedition to the Black Hills, Dakota Territory, 1876. General Crook's headquarters in the field at Whitewood, Dakota Territory, on Starvation March, 1876. Close-up of a camp scene shows tents improvised from wagon frames during the Black Hills expedition. Scene of General Custer's last stand, looking in the direction of the ford and the Indian village. A pile of bones on the Little Bighorn battlefield is all that remains, circa 1877. General view of the corral and surrounding area at Camp Apache, Arizona, 1877. Officers' quarters at Fort Rollins, Wyoming, May 7, 1877. Two men and a woman holding a baby sit in front of the crude structure. Execution of a soldier of the 8th Infantry at Prescott, Arizona, 1877. junction of the Mississippi and Minnesota rivers near Fort Snelling, Minnesota. Headquarters of the 25th Infantry, circa 1986. Romantic view showing young woman looking wistfully at the fort across the river. Troop C, 5th Cavalry, which arrested boomers and squatters prior to opening of Oklahoma. CA 1888. Crude building under construction at Fort Keogh, Montana, circa 1989. Officers intent by fire during the Pine Ridge Campaign, 1890-1891. Return of Casey Scouts from the fight at Wounded Knee, 1890-1891. Soldiers on horseback plod through the snow. Brigadier General Nelson A. Miles and Buffalo Bill viewing hostile Indian camp near Pine Ridge Agency, South Dakota, by Grabo, January 16, 1891. The Good Old Days. Canteen at F.T. Kia, Montana, 1890 to 1894.
German Singing Society, 22nd Infantry, Fort Keogh, May 13, 1894. An open-air song fest.
History isn't a movie. It's raw and real. What you saw today are actual records preserved at the National Archives. At Vintage Shots, we value truth over AI fiction. Which photo hit you hardest? Comment below, then like and subscribe to Vintage Shots to keep the past alive. See you in the next archive.